Hello, this is Zach Knoll. This is for CIS210 data structures and week 3, and this is my program using lists. I think I got a couple in here, so we'll run through the program. It's just a like a silly username generator. If you're drawing a blank, it spits out a really random username based on your name. So we'll enter our last name. And then we'll do our first name. And we'll wait a moment. And my new name is Zachnaw Civic 161. So, see, it's pretty cool. And just to show you that it's always random, I'll do my same name again. And now it would be Zachnaw Vicious 280. Looks like it might be close, but as you know, Vicious and Civic are nowhere close. So let's take a walk through the program. It's all running through one giant linked list, because the output answer is the output of my list. It's made up of four nodes. So that's all this stuff. I kind of borrowed the tutorials point outline for that, and it worked really well for setting everything up. So to start, we've got the first name input. This is going to be identical to the last name, but either way, it takes your name and then it splits it up, which puts it into a list. So then I took that list and I just took the first 3 letters, which usually sounds out something reasonably close to a name. And then that creates node 1. Last name does the exact same thing, and that creates node 2. And then for the middle word, it actually goes out to this website, which is just a extremely long list of words. And it comes back and it throws the words into another list. And when it does that, it does a random. So it, shuffles everything up basically. And then once it's in there, I grab the first one of the list, and a problem I have is it was in bytes, so that's just the conversion. And there's node 3. And then node 4 is actually, not really node 4, but the ending is your numbers, which is a random number generator down here. But up here we've got an at beginning to throw your first name as the first value and set it as the head. And then I threw the in-between one in just to try it out, where I ended up putting a new node in after the first, but not after the second, obviously. And then this is just a basic print check. So, yeah, it's nothing too fancy, and it's probably done a lot easier, but got to use a bunch of different kind of lists, so I think that should hopefully be good for satisfying the requirement. Alright, have a good one.